Good morning. How you guys doing? Guys, the outside is so sunny. I'm seeing it from here. Good morning, guys. Oh, welcome to another vlog. Saturday morning. Today is Saturday. So I'll just be taking you guys along with me some few things that I'm going to do this morning. So cleaning and let's go. Because yesterday I've already washed all the plates that we use in eating, so the parlor is really the kitchen is neat, like the kitchen, the plate, everything. I'm going to show you. All I just need to do is to laundry and clean. Basically, so tired this morning. So this is my school bag that I used in going to school yesterday, because yesterday was home lecture, online school. And my tablet, I'm going to plug it now. So I'm going to sweep here later. It's sunny, guys. See? Very sunny. So this is my school bag. I have one. So I didn't know I arranged it yesterday. I use it in going to. This is my hand cream. So, money. Okay. So this one, you can actually buy something in the supermarket. So I'm going to select all this money now. So see the money I have. So this one is the to change this curtain. We actually went to where we want to buy new curtain. I think day before yesterday, but the money they put was too much. I think I'm going to order online. So for the Christmas, this curtain has been here, so it has been long. This curtain has been here. I want to change it. Like I want to put like something like gray color, like not white, not me, just gray. So I'm not going to change the bedspread. Just going to dust it because I just spread this bedspread few days ago. And then so this is what it looks like right now. So you just want me to sweep the floor, okay?